In this video, we'll show you how to safely use the Forestmaster 20-volt 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw. Slide the battery into the base of the chainsaw until it locks into place. To begin cutting, your mini chainsaw requires a quick double pull of the trigger, which prevents any unintended activation. For continuous cutting without holding the trigger, simply push the side lock button while the saw is running. Make sure to wear protective gear, including sturdy gloves and a helmet equipped with a visor before operating the chainsaw. Now you can start using the chainsaw. Simply hold the saw firmly and apply gentle pressure as you begin your cut. For larger branches, make an undercut halfway through the bottom of the branch first, and then complete the cut from the top. For complete power down and maximum safety, always remove the battery after use by pressing the battery release button. For an extended reach, simply pair your chainsaw with the Garden Pro telescopic extension pole. Here's how to attach the chainsaw and get started. Make sure the battery is detached from the chainsaw. Slide the battery into the battery slot at the end of the telescopic pole until it clicks. Slide the base of the chainsaw onto the other end of the telescopic pole until it securely clicks into place. To adjust the pole's length, flip open the locking levers. Extend the pole to your desired height, then snap the levers closed to lock it. To adjust the cutting angle, press the pivot button on the pole's head and angle the chainsaw as desired. Once all your adjustments are complete, hold the trigger on the chainsaw and press the side lock button. Pull the trigger on the handle of the telescopic pole to run the chainsaw. You are now fully ready to tackle those high branches, enjoying the freedom of effortlessly cutting difficult-to-reach areas without the need for a ladder. To shut down and safely store the unit, remove the chainsaw from the telescopic pole by pressing the dedicated release button. Order your Forestmaster 20-volt 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw today. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.